I don't know how much I got.
Did you get it?
I got the, yeah, I got it.
Exactly.
I got the end of it.
How about that in the way?
He took off and I took off.
Well, this is little heart. Come on. Come on.
You know,
Let go of it.
when he first started catching rabbits, it was so aggravating. He would catch a rabbit
Bree.
and he would come to the fist before Richard would get there and let the rabbit go. He would sneak in slowly until he finally started hanging on.
Ride him, Billy.
Good girl, Bree.
Oh, cool.
Where'd you get it?
Got out from under that brown thing.
Oh. Let's see.
He's gonna get a rabbit.